Welcome back to JRF Mechanical. Today we're going to have these. So just use a screwdriver and just pop that off. Here's port numbers for the front rotors for power stop. And here's the front brake pads from power stop. Okay, you're going to need some tools. You're also going to need this one here, which is a Torx 30 to get the rotor off. You're also going to need this for the front, a 7mm hex bit to get the pins out. You're going to also need a 21 to get your caliber mounting bolts. I'll show you that socket in just a second. And then you'll need a 17mm for your lug nuts. And then you'll need your 21mm to get your caliber mounting brackets off so you can get your rotor off. And once you get there, you'll have these little caps. You'll need to pop them off like that. Kind of dark, so let's light it up. There you go. And you can get that off. And it will be that size, which is your 7mm. And you'll be able to get that in here, turn it to off, and break it loose like that, and it's easy. And the left side will have the sensor mounted on the inner, so only on the left side, the driver's side, will have that. The wire. So anyway, and then once you get there, you can take the screwdriver and put it in there, and it'll just pop right there. See it? Okay, hope that helps. And once you get that off, you'll want to lube these up. Clean them up first with a rag and then lube them up. And then you can do that. Alright. It's a good trick to do this really quick. I'll show you. Just taking one of these. And you're going to push it into the reservoir and suck it out and get some more fresh fluid. Okay? And then once you do that, then suck out the reservoir, which is a .4 on this. After you suck it out, and then pour fresh, and then you can fresh the new one into your bleeder hole. And that wrench is, I think it's a 3/8. It's quite of a bigger nut. It's not a 12mm. It's slightly smaller, but not a 10. So just to keep that in mind when you're bleeding these on. And you might need a helper. I've got that little hose you can put on there, and it's a one-way check valve at the end, so it doesn't let air back in. It just keeps air coming, or fluid coming. And that's how I would flush it, by pushing some of the old out, suck it out at the top, and put fresh in, and then flush out the new fluid. And then you'll need that tool that I showed you, that Torx 30. I just done it. It's not on there very tight. I like to just give it a little tap. And then that way you can put it in there, set the deal, and it should just break loose real easy. It's just an old habit I have, tapping them, so especially on those Hondas. And then your rotor will come off real easy. Okay, hope that helps. It's time to do them. And it was getting close. Yep. Alright, well, hope that helped. Thumbs up. Thanks. And then just reverse everything.